Dear God, thank you for
OMG, did you see Crystal's Instagram post? Like 16 likes, OMG, suggest a loser.
Yes, I saw that, but not as much as me.
Yeah, you look so pretty, so am I, like she's not cute.
Yeah, she's so ugly compared to me.
Hey, that's harsh.
Oh, it's my birthday! Party here! Yeah. Let's do it tonight. It's gonna be let's do a 55-55 Oxford Moore tonight. Everyone, it's gonna be lit up.
Oh my gosh, David Milheim, he's such a hottie. Oh my god, I am fainting. Oh my god.
Time to do my. Oh, I need that first. Time to do my QT for today.
Yo, David, how's it going?
Not right now. I'm
Bro,
busy.
I want to talk to you. I didn't get a chance to talk to the retreat,
Time
bro.
to do my QT. I'm sorry, I can't.
Bro, come on, man, just one time.
What do you? Nah, not right now. Just later.
All right,
Right now.
you do you, I'll do me. Do you want to get that?
No. It's not important.
Dude, it's really bothering me.
No. It's not that important.
Get that!
Ah!
Get it!
No.
Well, let's see, who's it from?
I don't know.
Ooh, is it from a girl?
No.
Open it.
It's actually-
Dude, you're invited to the mall. Let's go to the mall. Yo, who invited? Let's go, come on. Dude, you gotta loosen up, man. Let's get a chest hair. Open it. Let's go.
Those feel good.
Let's go.
Alright. Let's go.
Hey man, what's up? It's good to see you.
Not much. How about you? So what are we gonna do for the mall today?
I know we said we were gonna go watch a movie, but my friend just texted me and he's gonna have a party at 55 Oxford Board. So, you wanna hit it? So let's go.
I'm not too sure about that.
David,
I'm gonna watch
David, come on. A movie? We're gonna watch a movie?
Yeah, Star Wars.
Bro, dude, this is a party. I want some alcohol in my system.
Yes.
Let's go! Dude, there are gonna be tons of girls there. Come on, let's go.
Come on, David.
Girls.
You gotta loosen up. You gotta loosen up. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright.
Actually,
Actually, what?
I gotta stop by the store and pick up some alcohol, but I kind of forgot my wallet, so I gotta hit the lick. So I don't know if you guys want to come with me or what, but.
We want to, David. No.
Wait,
We want to go.
I'm not stealing.
We want to go.
You
Hold
don't
on, bro.
have to do that.
David,
See,
hold
he
on.
gets me. Let's
I
just
know,
go.
bro. What's your name? Okay. I'll go by devil horns. All right, David. We gotta go
I'm
to.
actually kind of in a rush, so if we can hurry this along a little.
Oh, Dave, we gotta go. I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm not gonna waste my time standing here. We gotta go. You don't have to do anything. Just loosen up.
Okay, I'll loosen up.
Loosen up.
Loosen up.
You wanna go? Let's go.
Yeah.
We at the party.
Hey guys, I don't feel comfortable about this. I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if I want to do this.
Come on, Melhine, don't do this right now. We're already here. Your friend even came with us.
David.
Let's go, man.
What's in front of you?
Door. Wait, can you...
It's the front door. And so I came all this way to leave? Dude, let's go in. Let's get some.
David, don't do this right now. Let's just go.
Let's enjoy the party. You got loosen up. Loosen up.
Come on, man. We're already here.
Come on, so let's go
Okay,
inside.
I'll loosen up. It's a party.
Hey, isn't that the girl that you said was really pretty over there? Isn't that her?
Yeah, she's too cute to me. I don't know if I
It's
can.
okay, don't worry about it. Just take a sip of this and you'll be fine, man. Don't worry.
What is it?
Over there. I'm gonna dance with you, man.
I'm not sure.
Get him, David, get him!
Hey, would you like to dance?
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know about this. I don't know what's going on. Oh, this is not fun.
Get him.
Why are you doing this to me, man? I want to go to your friends.
You put this on yourself, bro. You made all these dumb mistakes, and now look at you. You're a mess.
No, you did this to me.
Me? Nah, you made all the decisions. That's on you.
No.
Take that jacket off.
No.
Do it.
All right, I'll take it
Make a
off.
decision right now.
You're right. I'm sick of this. Here, it's yours. I don't know what happened. Everything was okay. I just came back from retreat and everything just started spiraling down. One decision after another. I don't know, I'm a failure.
What happened?
I don't know. I thought I had everything under control, but failed everything.
No, it's okay. These things happen, but I want you to know I still love you the same, and that my grace is sufficient for you. Take this. You are clothed in my righteousness alone. Now go and live freely.